Hi, I'm Protostar, and check out my new course for Monstercat and FaderPro. You just have that inspiration where you're just rolling and everything feels like it's just rolling into place naturally. You don't have much control over it, so to speak. That's one of the most exciting things and is one of those moments, that kind of feeling of something creating itself. In this course, I'm going to be showing you how to start a song and get it to the point of being able to play it out in front of a crowd. So I'm going to be showing you some mixdown mastering techniques, going to be showing you some sequencing tips and some workflow ideas. Before I met Monstercat, I was doing these Sonic remixes from Sonic 2, and those got quite a lot of attention. Finish whole ideas and put them out. Don't just sit on them and then keep working on them for months and months and months. Just put them out. And the only way to improve really is to make music and release it, because then once it's out, you can't change it. You have to move on to better ideas, bigger ideas, and just keep working and improving your sound and just learning from that. Just because I use Reason, I've always been somewhat kind of limited in my tool set, because Reason never had VST, and it also kind of helped me have like a more unique sound to certain elements where I'm just using sort of like, stock Reason devices or Reason devices that not a lot of people use. That's helped me kind of define myself and given me that creative edge